Ever feel like your dog just knows when you're sad? Well, that's because they do. Dogs can actually read human emotions through facial expressions and tone of voice. So yeah, when you're crying over that one sad movie, your dog is totally judging you. But wait, it gets crazier. If you're stressed, your dog might even get stressed with you. So next time you're freaking out, just remember, your dog is probably panicking too. So, does your dog react when you're sad or happy? Drop your funniest dog stories in the comments.